Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change location on Spotify. It's pretty simple. First, you want to go to spotify.com and you want to use your browser because this can only be done through browser. In the app of Spotify, you cannot change your location. So just search for spotify.com, and once you're in its official website, make sure to log in into your Spotify account. I have already logged in into my account, that's why it took me right over here. Now from over here you can see the little setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the option called View Account. Click on that. And from inside View Account, you will see the option called Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile. From over here, scroll all the way down and you can see the option called Country or Region. Click on it and choose another country from the list. Now the reason I'm not able to change my country is because I have Spotify Premium. So when you buy Spotify Premium, you need to enter your card detail. And when you're entering your card detail, Spotify also asks you for your address to verify if you're the person who's the owner of the card and for other reasons. And since I have bought the Premium, I've already entered my card detail and my address because I wanted to buy the Premium, so I cannot change it. But if you have not bought the Premium, once you click on it, you can see multiple options. You can choose whichever one you like. After you choose the country, enter the password of your account at the top to verify you're the owner of the account. Once you enter your password, scroll a bit down, click on Save Profile, and a location will be changed. That is how you guys can change location on Spotify. It's that simple. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.